Stafford, it's me, Mrs. Darling. I sure miss you guys, and I hope you're doing okay. I'm sure by now you have read all the books you have at home and you are dying for a new book. Well, you're in luck because I'm going to teach you how to check out ebooks on your tablet or Chromebook at home using the Sora app. So when you go to the Stafford Primary School website, you can go under the Library tab and you will find Sora under the ebooks and audiobooks. Click on that screen and it will say my school is West Lynn Wilsonville School District. Click there and you want to sign in. When you sign in, you're going to choose your account. I'm going to use Henry's account so that you can see it from a student perspective. And here we go. Now I'm into Sora and I have all these great books that we can check out. You can scroll through and see these are always available and they have multiple checkouts and you can keep going. These are all new books. If you like audiobooks, you can search specifically for an audiobook down here. Or just the next, just browse. If there's a specific book that you really are dying to read, you can go up here and search, and I'm just going to put in Big Knee. And all the Big Neat books will come up. Once I find the book that I want, I can, this one is out, so I can put it on hold if I want. All these Big Neats are on hold. Okay, I'm going to have to make another search. So I'm going to go back to Explore, and I'm going to look under, how about Fantasy? And if it says borrow, then I know it's available now. Or if it says place on hold, it means it's already checked out. And oh, this looks like a great book. I can read a sample of it to see if I really like it. And you just click there. And if I know I want to borrow it, I can just click borrow. And it will automatically sync to your device. You can use this at home or in the car once you have it set up. You don't need Wi-Fi. And you can have it on a tablet. Just download the app. It's free. Or a phone or your Chromebook. Okay, well, happy reading, guys, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye.